Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your time. People are like, what are cash notes? Cash notes are for people that don't qualify for home loans the traditional way, and you help provide a way for people that need a home to buy a home. And I know people are like, what's cash notes and what do you do and whatnot. I was the same way. It wasn't until I ran across a buddy of mine who'd been doing this for a while, and I didn't even know what it was. He just started bringing it up, and he said, if this is something you want to do, you need cash note training. And I'm like, well, what are you going to train me? He goes, no, man, I ain't going to train you. He goes, I'll send you a link, and by the way, the link's down there below. He goes, it's a course, and it's a couple that go through and show what a lot of people that you know sell notes, do things, and work for that don't want you to know because anybody can do it, and you don't have to be a real estate guy. You don't have to be a finance guy. You can do this. Anyway, I tried it out, man, and it's really cool. I thought, man, I'll make a video on this. Pretty neat. What I really liked about the program in itself, I mean, I've spent 200 bucks in a day on dumb things. Now I've spent $200 on something that makes me money. And to me, that's a no-brainer because when I looked on the course, it had a 60-day money-back guarantee, and they have to give your money back if you don't have to give a reason. You can say, hey, because I bought programs before that, with 6-day guarantee, and I didn't like it. I got my money back. This is one that I like. So anyway, I suggest you check it out. They got a video there and explains some things, and it's another way to make money, which is cool. I mean, this isn't something you make money in a week. It's something it's a build. It's a business that you build, and it's a different kind of business, and it's a money making business, and you can easily make the 200 bucks back. So anyway, check it out. There's a link down below. Really cool business, the cash note business. So check it out, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you, and good luck to you. Go make some money.